We can easily add state to the bottom components, but until now, the only way to pass data to a component's sibling was to move a state to a higher component and then pass it back to the siblings via props. Now we will create an app that the app.js include the component A, and the component A will include the component B, and the component B will also include the component C. In this case, we need to pass the state from the top levels of the application through all the intermediary to the component C, even though the component A and component B do not need this data. This is tedious and time consuming, and also known as props joining. Context provides a way to pass data through the component trees without having to pass the props down manually at every levels. This is a blank new app without any fancy, and just have a blank this word. And now we are going to create the 3 components. So now we are going to make a folders called components, and first we create a component A.js, and we type RAFCE, and then we create a component B, and we also create a component C. We type component A at component A, and then we go to component B and type component B, and also at the C we do the same things. And now inside the component A we are going to import the component B. And then we go to the component B, we will import the component C. Now we're back to the app.js, and we are going to try to pass the value from the app.js to the component C directly by using context. We go to the app.js, and then we are going to export constant name context is equal to create context. Now we are going to wrap the whole app by using the name context.provider. But first we are going to import the component A. And at the component B, we forgot to import the component C. Now you can see all the components on the website. Now we're back to the app.js, and we are going to use the context. So we need to wrap the whole app using the name context.provider. For example, we pass the values Smith. And then we go to the component C, and then we import the context. And then we are going to consume the context, so we have to use the name context.consumer. Now is everything right? The name Smith should appear at the component C. So let's take a look. The component C contains the Smith value here.